As daylight fades across the wetlands, starlings start to gather. Sammie and I reunite with our army of filmmakers to capture the big event on camera.
Oh my word, now that's a lens. That is goodness me, it's absolutely massive, isn't it? Have you filmed Murmurations before?
Yeah, this is my third time filming them.
Oh, is it? Oh, so you know exactly what's going to happen.
Well, yeah. It's wildlife, you never do.
And have you been here before?
Not here. This is my first time here. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so what are you expecting to happen then? What are you hoping happens?
I hope that they fly right over our heads, right into the field there, and then they murmurate for a while, a good, well, 5 minutes would be nice, so we can really build up the sequence.
Yeah. You can sense the lights dropping. Something's going to kick off any minute, and you've got to be ready. Yeah, so we better stop talking.
No. Matt and I have split up in order to cover all camera angles. Matt is with Katie and Yaz, staking out the reed bed, while Kirsty and I are poised under the pylons with the rest of the group, hoping to catch the starlings gathering overhead.
Hi Sammie, it's Matt here with Katie and Yaz. Are you reading over?
Hello Matt, yep.
I can hear you, over.
Cool, well we're all set. How are things looking at your end?
They're looking really good. I think we're all set up as well. We can see some starlings starting to collect together. So hopefully in the next few minutes we'll start to see some real movement. Over.
Brilliant. Give us a shout. Keep in touch.
This will be my first murmuration. So I'm relying on Kirsty from the RSPB to give us early warning of liftoff. So what do you think? How's it looking tonight?
It's looking pretty positive. The weather conditions are in our favour. It's a nice bright evening, so they might be a little later than normal. We've had them murmurating here for a few years now at Newport, so it's a winter spectacle for us, so we get really excited. Sort of early November they'll start coming in, dribs and drabs, and then they build up towards the end of November and December, and we're lucky that they're still here in January this year.
So why is it that they come here?
So starlings typically like to roost in reed beds, so they'll start just before sunset, all come on in, and then they'll roost actually on the reeds of an evening then, all night long, and then they'll leave early morning.
How many do you expect to come in?
It can vary every year, so it's builds, so it starts sort of roughly around maybe 10 to 20,000 early on, and then it can build all the way up to sort of 80 to 100.
So why is it that they do it?
There's a theory that's sort of safety in numbers. So like we see in shoals of fish, you know, you rarely see very small groups of them. You often see big, large numbers, and essentially it's to be less likely to be eaten. So we'll have predators like marsh harrier, sparrowhawk, things like that, all coming into the murmuration to try and take
so you'll
the
see
starling.
them try and come in?
Absolutely, yeah, and it really is breathtaking. It is once in a lifetime. But don't forget, keep yourself covered because you might get pooed on.
So that's good luck, right? No?
I think so.
Here in Newport, the crowds are gathering in anticipation of tonight's aerial acrobatics. And we've been granted special permission from the wetlands to capture the spectacle from a bird's eye view. Do you think that they'll mind about the drone?
They'll just treat it like another predator, just like a marsh harrier or a sparrowhawk.
Hopefully it'll give us a really good view.
Yeah, fingers crossed, it'll be a really spectacular show.
Okay, drone going up.
So I guess we just wait now, don't we?
Yep.
Sammie, we've got an incoming group. It's looking good, should be drifting towards you now. Over.
Oh wow, yes, I see them coming over now. Over.
Should be another 18 or so, just coming into view nowish.
18 is very specific. Are you counting each bird coming over?
Yeah, I'm hoping to get to about 85,000 by the by the time it gets dark.
Starlings can travel from up to 30 miles away to join in. And as the pylons reach full capacity...
Oh, did you see them just drop off the pylon now? Wow.
It begins.
Oh my word.
go.
Oh, look at this. It's unbelievable. Oh, yes.
It's like they're dancing in the sky. It's so cool.
Yeah. It's almost like they're liquid.
Even more coming over us now.
Oh, wow! Gosh, it has an impact on you, doesn't it? Well, this is magic. I mean, this is pure magic.
Oh, wow, have you seen the group? Right, it should be right over your head now.
Unbelievable. Oh, my word.
So how many do you think are up there now then?
Oh, my goodness me. I lost count at 19.
I think this is the best one I've ever seen.
Really?
Yeah.
As dusk falls, the aerial ballet dances over the reed beds as the starlings start to drop down to roost for the night.
Got some latecomers, yeah.
Oh, have a little dance before you go to bed. You know, we're very fortunate to witness some incredible things on Countryfile, but that was special. Really was. How was that, Dad?
That was amazing.
Wasn't it something else?
It was incredible.
Could you believe your eyes?
What do you think, you two?
I saw thousands.
You saw thousands of them.
Yeah.
Yeah, they were up there and they were dancing. I couldn't believe the shapes that they were making in the sky. Yeah, you've got some?
Yeah.
So what did you guys think of it?
I've lived here all my life and it's the first time I've managed to see them.
Really?
We've been several times before, but it's the first time and what an experience. It's so calming.
It was, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's such a surreal feeling.
But you did manage to get pooped on, I see, though.
I did manage to get pooped on.
Yeah, I was warned to close my mouth and make sure. So at least it's just on your jacket.
Well, after that, I learned to put my hood up, so I think I'm okay.
How was your first murmuration?
I'm absolutely buzzing after that. It was amazing.
It's incredible, isn't it, just to sense that energy?
I couldn't believe how many birds, and they were just
Yeah.
coming in drips and drabs all over the place.
Yeah, and they're still coming in, look. The stragglers.
Amazing,
There
yeah.
you go, look, there's a little flock behind there.
They're late to bed.
Oh, they're doing a little circle before we say goodbye. I tell you what, that is a fantastic way to celebrate our first Countryfile
Yes,
together
yeah.
and the end of the programme, because that's all we've got time for this week.
Yes. Joe will be in Somerset harvesting willow next week.
Do you know, I'll have to introduce them to my new friend Kevin and his willow cutter.
We hope you can join us next week.
And we're going to leave you with some of the shots that our camera women have captured of that incredible murmuration. Enjoy.
And celebrating the wonder of the natural world and its challenges, brand new podcast, Rare Earth, on BBC Sounds. Listen now. Discover the awesome landscapes, nature and people of wild Scandinavia on iPlayer. Press red to watch and explore.